House is located on the shores of a lake in southern Chile and goes from steep hills to the shore of the lake with a significant slope, with the presence of several native trees. The assignment started from the point that no trees could be touched, and that the house had to be built between them, combining at the same time the view of the volcanoes, the lake, and the vegetation. The biggest challenge was, once the position and the trees around which it would be placed were chosen, how to overcome the slope that reaches almost 45 degrees. For this, it was decided to found half of the house on the land and the other half on stilts. The house is organized, then, as two bars of parallel rooms, which are located in the direction of the slope at different levels, housing the master bedroom and a living room in the upper bar and the children's bedrooms in the lower bar. Both bars are crossed and connected by the volume of the common spaces with greater amplitude, which houses the access, chiflonera, kitchen, dining room, living room, and terrace. The covered terrace is above the volume of the bedrooms. The area where the house is located receives a lot of rain throughout the year. The entire house is covered on the outside with demolition larch shingles, a wood that does not need maintenance and is ideal for rainy environments. The interior was based on local pine siding,